Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
This is Mark Simpson, and I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to go and increase your direct bookings. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you about revenge travel. I've got some stats, I've got some things to share with you to get excited about. So before we do that, please make sure you go and like, go and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend about this video. Anybody in the world of hospitality, even if you just go and share this in a Facebook group, please do so. Spread the word because revenge travel is coming. Now here's some stats. Time at home has made people crave the world outside more than ever. During the recent lockdown, 2/3, so 65% of travelers reported about getting excited about traveling again, with 42% wanting to travel more in the future to make up for time lost in 2020. Rising to 51% for Gen Z and 49% for millennials. Over a third, over 38%, intend to plan a trip to make up for a celebration missed due to COVID. While 2/5, 40%, intend to rebook a trip they had to cancel. So yes, there were a lot of cancelled trips. You will have had one, I will have had one, your guests will have had one as well. But what lockdown does and what restrictions mean, when you get something taken away from you, guess what? You want it more than ever before. And if you've made it this far, well done, congratulations. Be prepared for what is coming, because revenge travel is coming and it's gonna be coming hard. You need to be ready for it. Number one, even now when you are watching this and you maybe just cannot be asked to do it, go and post on social media. Post every single day. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Just have a post and be present. Stay top of mind. Be present and be post every day. If you don't know what to create, or if you're struggling, or if you literally cannot be bothered to do it, Boostly Content Creator is here to help. It's £5 a month. It has all the content you need. Every month, 30 plus pieces of content created for you that you can just copy, paste, and use. It also has email templates because email is so important. The Boostly Academy members are getting so much success from a recent training that we did together where we utilized MailChimp, free emailing tool. I gave them templates and they used them to message previous guests. And guess what? It works. It works every single time. You get that in Boostly Content Creator, £5 a month. Also, what you need to be doing is making sure that your website is up to date. Go and update your website. If you haven't updated it in a couple of years, go and update it. Make sure that you've got all the latest information, your latest cancellation policy, explain the benefits of booking direct, go and do that. And if you haven't got a website or if you're not confident in your website, go to boostly.co.uk/WC and book in a call with me or my team to see how we can help. And finally, what you need to do is this. Close off the dates that are available to the OTAs that are a long time away. So anything that's 3, 4, 5, 6 months away, close them off to the OTAs. Don't let people book via booking.com, Airbnb when they should be booking on your website instead. What you need to do, go into your property management software, whoever that may be, go into it, close off the dates, okay? Then email out to all of your previous guests just to say, we are really looking forward, and use the script. We are really looking forward for you to be able to travel again. We are really looking forward to seeing you, and we are so excited because the amount of emails and the messages that we get from you telling us that you are excited to come to see us. We have just opened up our dates for the rest of the year, and from anything, and you can literally name the dates, so June, July, August, September, October, November. The only way that you can book is when you book directly through our website. Give them the link, give them the phone number, or to say reply to this email. Super powerful. It will get them to kick into action, and I guarantee you will get something from it. Also as well, what you need to be doing is investing in a pricing software tool, dynamic pricing, whatever you want to call it, in 2021. Rates are going to go up and down in your local area. And if you just stick at a standard rate all the way throughout, you are going to miss out massively. You're going to get left behind. There's two main things that I see people doing in 2020 and 2021. Number one, digital guidebooks. I've spoke about it loads. Go check out Hostfully for that. Number two is dynamic pricing tool. This podcast is sponsored by Wheelhouse. Go to boostly.co.uk/wheel. It's faster, stronger, cleverer, makes you more money than any other pricing tool that is out there. I've used it, I've tried it, I recommend it. Boostly.co.uk/wheel, WHEEL. You get a free listing on there. You can link up to a free account. Please make sure you go and do that before they take away that free option, and you will be set. What I would love for you to do, put these into practice, message me on Instagram and tell me what you've done. Boostly.co.uk. Or you can just go to instagram.com/BoostlyUK. If this is the first time that you are seeing my face, seeing one of my daily videos, please do like, subscribe. Please make sure you share it with a friend or a family member, whoever is in hospitality. My goal is to help 1 million hosts increase their direct bookings and cut down on their over-reliance on the OTAs. If we can do that, and you can all influence your guests about the power of Book Direct, then we will get the OTAs to pay more attention to us. My name is Mark Simpson. I'll be back tomorrow for another podcast, another lesson, another video. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Whoa, having a blast. Gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.